the late Pope John Paul II spoke often of the prevalence of the culture of death in the modern world. This culture of death is evidenced not only by the attempt to destroy unborn life, but by the attempt throughout the world to render individuals incapable of defending themselves against negative forces with which they are accosted. That is one of the primary factors involved in the entire right to keep and bear arms controversy. The right to keep and bear arms controversy really involves the right of individuals to be able to acquire the means necessary to defend their lives and the lives of their loved ones against unwarranted aggression on the part of private or public forces. What we in the gun rights movement really are defending is the right to life itself. We are defending the right of law-abiding citizens in the United States and actually throughout the world to be able to defend themselves against illegitimate aggression on the part of terrorists and on the part of criminals and on the part of public enemies. As I said, this really is the issue. Now, leaders of various countries, including some here in the United States, may run provisions for gun control or run stipulations for gun control or run calls for gun control under the rubric of crime control. However, this is a phony approach to the entire situation. Criminals do not obey these laws that are passed, so the only effect of such laws is to deprive law-abiding citizens of their right to acquire the means necessary for them to be able to defend themselves and their loved ones and others and their property from this unwarranted aggression. There are 100 million gun owners in the United States who own 200 million rifles, shotguns, and handguns. Americans bought well over 10 million firearms in the previous year. The United States is gun country. The United States believes in the right of people to their own lives. They believe in the right to life. They believe in the right of citizens to be able to acquire and to use the means necessary to defend their lives and the lives of their loved ones and the lives of their fellow citizens generally from those who would deprive them unrighteously of this right. Consequently, those of us who defend the right to keep and bear arms in actuality are taking the high road in this whole entire controversy. We are defending, in essence, the right to life itself, the right of people to be able to defend themselves from unwarranted aggression by terrorists and other criminals. Make no mistake about it. In addition to this being a moral issue and a cultural issue and a political issue, it is a definitive personal issue. It involves your right to be able to acquire and to use the means necessary to defend your life, your family, and your property against those who would deprive you of that right.